machine behind me, we have a vac mat system, which is a vacuum fixture, modular, so you can make it bigger. It has a vac mat onto it, which you can machine into, so you can cut parts out. Generally used for sort of bigger parts, flat parts, thin parts, which you couldn't normally clamp in a vise. We also do a grid fixture, which is basically an aluminium fixture full of a grid pattern. You fill the pattern with a seal to suit your part. So again, this is very versatile. You can do smaller or larger parts. You just vary the seal to suit.
Nigel, your showroom that's in Sheffield is now moving to Rotherham. So why is this?
Well, we wanted a bigger showroom and we wanted to put our 5-axis machine in there, which was quite important to us.
Okay, so what's this going to do for your customers then?
Well, it'll give them a chance to see more machines in a nicer environment. We're on the AMRC site, so we'll have good footfall from engineering companies that are going there.
Yeah, the special promotion that we're doing at the minute, Paul, is that we're offering £1,500 PX value, a minimum of, against any old Colchester or Harrison lathe that you have when you buy a brand new machine from ourselves. So
right.
very good deal at the minute to be had, definitely.
So there's going to be plenty of companies out there that have got those older machines, isn't there?
Definitely.
This is time to get them out of the shop and get a new one in.
Exactly, perfect time, what with the bounce back loan and obviously the incentive to buy from us. Yeah, your quid's in, you can't lose.
It's an Akuma YAxis machine. It's got a large working envelope, twin spindle, full YAxis on the turret. The turret's very clever in the sense you can get a lot of tools in that turret by using some holders that Akuma specified.
Okay, so we're on the, sorry, is it 10 stations, 12 stations on turret?
It's 10 stations, but twin, so 20 essentially, but you can get up to 60 tools theoretically if the component would allow.
Okay, and in terms of the actual diameter of the what size component will it hold?
It's got an 8-inch chuck on the left-hand spindle, on the main spindle. The sub-spindle's got a 6-inch chuck.
We're all about continuous investment. So over the last 5 or 6 years, we've been making quite a few substantial investments in our facility and in our machine tools. So what you're saying is, in the last 2 years, some quite major investments of about £2 million in new machines. It's quite a range of machines. What we wanted was automation. So we're all about giving ourselves flexibility, but also getting ourselves improved efficiencies. So reduced cycle times, quick turnarounds for machines so we can change over from one part to the next. So automation is the key thing. And what you can see on some of our main new purchases is gantry-fed mill-turn machines. So the gantry is enabling us to produce parts more quickly and frees the operators up to be thinking about planning their next jobs.
Technical Corner, we're joined by Shane Grieverson from Halter CNC. Now they are well known for their product range, which is robot arms. Now they've recently increased those from 6 robot arms to 9 robot arms. But when you're thinking of investment, I think one of the first decisions you have to make is, well, a look at, is return on investment.
We're here at M EDM Limited and we've got a very exciting story to tell you because it's all about a true engineer who has designed his own product, a road race engine.
The S26 Victor V-turn lathe, available from stock and for sale here at CNC in Oldham.
You know, the biggest thing is obviously moulding them into something that fits into your own business. So we work obviously closely with supply the manual machines and everything that's up at Income in Marches. There's circa 2,000 apprentices a year go through their facility. So to see for someone to put a block of material in a vise and watch it, let it fly out, that's where they have to learn, isn't it? You know, so to take that experience into a machine tool, and certainly from the level of equipment that I suppose, enrich a supplier. They need to know the basics and appreciate the engineering aspect. So yeah, it's a big focus for us. It's really rewarding to see them grow through the business. You know, when they join you from leaving the college or working off site, you know, they've got an idea that I want to be in. I don't know, in applications, in service. You know, they tend to wander in different directions. So Chloe's finished up now with us as a product manager for a number of products. So yeah, it's really quite rewarding to see them grow through the business.